Since yesterday we can see that nothing has changed. Nothing has changed regarding the price. The price has formed indecision candle where we can see the price did not manage to make a bearish breaker going below this area of support, going further down, closing the daily time frame below that support, but also the buyers could not manage to push the price above, reaching higher price levels. We can see the wick on the upper side and also the wick on the lower side, where the wick on the lower side is a larger one, which suggests stronger selling pressure than it is currently a buying pressure here. Let's see what has happened on the 4-hour time frame. Since yesterday we can see how the price has behaved. The price did not manage to go up and down, jumping between this area, between this resistance level around 3400 and below that 3377. We can see that most of the time the price formed a pin bars or indecision candles, and also this one we can see a little bit larger one than these before, where the price has closed below this area of support, a small one on the 4-hour time frame, but also could not close below this area of support on the 4-hour time frame. If we take a look on the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved. The price was jumping up and down between this area of resistance. 3399.13 is the resistance level and support is 3377.57. We can see the price was jumping up and down, forming a bearish pin bar here, then bullish pin bar here, then again forming a bearish breakout. We can see that here with the target right here, which I have just shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. This bearish breakout was shared with the target right here, which was a successful one. We can see that it was a profitable trade for the traders. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, and if you would like to join to receive these bearish and bullish breakouts, it will be available there inside the premium analysis group. What we can expect for today? Well, the same scenario is like yesterday. We need to wait until the price makes a bearish or bullish breakout. Which breakout will happen before or after depends what the price will do. But we can see currently the price is trying to make a bearish breakout much more times than it is a bullish, because we can see it was the first, second, third and the fourth time the price cannot make a bearish breakout going below this area of support 3377.57. Now the price yesterday tried to move up only this time, first time and the second time. The price was trying to move higher, but the price immediately returned back down. So what we can make a conclusion here, it is a selling pressure that is much stronger than it is buying, because we can see the buyers could not manage to push the price in this area, which means there is no enough strength for the buyers to push the price further up. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going further down because of this scenario? Well, everything depends on the market, so it's the best to stay out until the price makes a clean breakout and follow the market. Then it will be much safer, and also based on the risk management area, this means it is much better to stay alive and also protect your account than chasing the market, trying to figure out where the price will go up or it will go down. Now for now I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave. Will there be any breakouts, bullish or bearish, and then I will follow the market and share the details with the traders inside the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.